Welcome back to another Azure Percept hands-on video of the great things you can do with AI at the edge. I do hope you enjoyed my last unboxing video, and today we're going to go a little deeper into what you can actually achieve with Azure Percept without actually having to get your hands dirty with any code. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration how you can use Azure Percept at the edge and Logic apps in the cloud to transcribe American Sign Language. If you want more details, head over to the link on your screen to watch the YouTube video. And please stay tuned and subscribe for more videos on Azure Percept and AI at the edge. Until next time.